Monday.com Gantt View tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the Gantt View into your Monday.com boards. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over Monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now, what I am going to do, or what I am about to do, is much simpler. We can go ahead and head over here, select the workspace that we need to work on, and we can go ahead and head over a board. If you do not have a board, you can go ahead and simply create it by clicking on the plus button right there and add a board just like this. Now, after you have added the board, you're going to be able to see it just like that. Each one of the boards is going to have a type of view. As you can see, the views are going to be mentioned or are going to be available under the name of the board. So you can go ahead and add another view or whatever type of view that you're going to have here by clicking on the plus button just like that. Now the Gantt view is going to be on the second, as you can see, a place under the table. You can go ahead and add it and you're going to have it like that. I'm going to try to unlock it and it is going to be adding it just like that. In my case, I haven't bought the plan yet, so we are going to be on the trial. We can only try some boards or some specific type of functionalities in this website instead of having the full experience. So make sure that you're going to have at least a plan or the trial, free trial that they will give you for a 14-day trial. Now, as you can see, it is going to be a type of view that we can have here. Now you're going to find all the tasks into the Gantt view. So when you click on it, as you can see, it is going to be showing up the date from where to where. For example, you can go ahead and have here the project, set up the milestone. For example, I don't know here. You can go ahead and have, for example, the specific video editing. Let's see here. What do we have? Is going to be the project, video editing. You can see here the projects that you have, and also they are going to be if they are linked together or not. Now we're going to have them from here and there. So each one of the tasks are going to be right there. You can select one of them and see where it is going to take you from here and there. So you can scroll here vertically or horizontally and see what do we have exactly. Now you can set up a weekly view, daily view, monthly view, quarter view, yearly view. It's going to be up to you. Now for the auto fit, it is going to be setting up here the months or whatever period that you have. For example, as a timeline, you can have it just like that, move it from here to there, and you can go ahead and control them just by putting them here and there, and it is going to create continuously the chain. So each one of the tasks are going to be in a specific column, as you can see, and you're going to put them all together to have one view. Now you can set up this view as a full screen, as any view that you're going to have. Set up the settings of them, for example, for the filtering, what type of columns that you're going to have. For example, I can go ahead and have a due date, whatever. I can go ahead and set up some grouping, labels, colors. Visual, as you can see, settings, whatever that you're going to have here is going to be permitted. So you're going to find all the timeline that you're going to have here. So when you're going to put it as weekly, you can go ahead and see that you have some, for example, due dates set up or date that are going to have in here and there. You can access or facilitate the baseline here to see everything that you want, but the baseline is going to be needing an upgrade soon. So with that, I have set up everything for this view. Do not forget that it is going to be depending on the board that you have created, so you can go ahead and create another specific spot for it. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.